Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can develop a Woocommerce theme. So let's get started. First, you need a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and PHP. Go to your WordPress installation folder and open WP Content, and then Themes. Create a new folder for your theme and add two files, Style CSS and Index PHP. In Style CSS, add your theme name, author, and version details. Then open Index PHP and start coding your layout structure. Next, go to your dashboard and activate your theme from Appearance, and then Themes. Now install and activate Woocommerce, and copy Woocommerce template files from the plugin folder to your theme's Woocommerce folder to customize the layout. You can modify templates like Single Product PHP or Archive Product PHP to change product and shop page designs. Use hooks and filters from the Woocommerce documentation to add custom functionality. And that's it. Now you know the basic process of how to develop a Woocommerce theme from scratch. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.